Greetings, and thanks for taking a look at my Tascam BR-20T half-track analog mastering tape machine. Go ahead and switch it on here. You can see all the lights check out. VU meter lamps work. In fact, everything works on this machine as it should. This has been calibrated for RMGI SM911 tape at 250 nanowebers per meter and IEC equalization curve. If you are wanting to use it with a different tape or a different tape speed, this is calibrated at 15 IPS. You'll have calibration that you'll need to do, but if you are planning on running IEC 250 nanoweber per meter +6 tape, this is set up and ready to go. This is the latest in Tascam's generation of tabletop mastering machines. It handles tape very nicely. This is the 20T model that has the center timecode track. You can see that there. So you have two audio tape tracks and then a narrow center timecode track if you want to synchronize this with other tape transports, video or audio, or synchronize it with your digital audio workstation using a synchronizer. It's ready to go. Everything works. Let's see. We've got some program material that we have coming in. We have the inputs. Inputs are being monitored. We'll go ahead and switch that to monitor the reproduce head, and we'll put it into record. You can see the program material is now recording on the sync head and reproducing on the repro head. You can't hear the program material, but it sounds as good or better than the inputs. Again, this has been calibrated, adjusted. It performs well within Tascam's spec. This does include the very rare RC402 transport remote. And we'll just run it through a few more of the transport modes using the remote. So that's record, and stop, rewind, fast forward, again, it's very, very gentle on tape, and it does have a library wind spooling mode, and so we'll let that run for a little bit so you can see what the tape pack looks like on the spool mode. This does include a brand new genuine Tascam capstan drive belt, although the drive belt that's installed in this machine is working just fine. Take a look at the pictures in the listing, particularly at the heads and tape path. This machine has not been used much. I purchased this some years ago from a video production studio. This was a backup machine and saw little use before they switched to digital audio machines. And so unfortunately they did do some editing on it. This is really the only cosmetic blemish to make note of. The razor marks here where they cut tape, and then also below the splicing block. Otherwise this is in excellent cosmetic condition, and of course does include the real hub adapters, and again the very rare remote. Also comes with the original factory operation and maintenance manual on the heavy stock paper with fold-out schematics and such in the original Tascam soft binder. So let's, not sure how well this comes through on this video, but the tape pack is just gorgeous. So this is a top-notch machine. If you're looking at this, you're probably familiar with it, but this one is ready to go. Power supply has been recapped. There were also some modifications made to the monitor headphone amp to help it run cooler and have better sonic performance. So there have been a few minor tweaks. Otherwise, this is an all original machine, and again performs well within spec, low miles, and it's just a great find. So thanks again for taking a look. Let me know if you have any questions.